Okay, so I'm gonna talk to you all about my press-on nails. So I'm gonna share with you all how I take them off effectively and safely, and when I do it the right way, because honestly there are times where I just be plucking these things off, but I'm gonna show y'all how I do it the right way and the safe way. So these nails are 2 weeks old, a little over 2 weeks, like 2 weeks and a couple days. My right hand gets worn down the most. As you can see, this nail right here. So this nail, y'all see that's lifting. I can already just pull that off. Like, that doesn't hurt at all. And then my thumbnail is also lifting, easy peasy. So what I like to do is go through and see which ones are like starting to lift. Now my left hand could probably stay on for 3 weeks, but I use this hand more. So I usually wear my nails for 2 weeks. I do have some maintenance after 1 week, and I'll have a video on that for you all. I'm just gonna get into how I remove these nails. So let's get it. Okay. So I have my water here. It's supposed to be hot, but I had some camera issues, so it might just be warm. But I like to use, yeah, it's just warm. But I put a little soap in here and a little bit of oil. And as I'm soaking my nails, I like to lift it and see how loose it's getting. Let the water and soap get in there. And while my nails are in here, I kind of push them down. So yeah, I just let these soak.
You need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. It like guns with the aching, yeah. Getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing. Had a nigga convinced, got me too excited.
Lordy. There we go. Alright, soaking off this last nail. I had to bring in the cuticle clippers to help me out. Yeah. So there's the last one. My hands are all off. My nails are all off my hands, fingers. But if you can't see, use my handy dandy nail drill. Oops. That I got from Amazon, and I will link it below. But it's a cordless chargeable nail drill. Oh. And it came with several different bits, and I'm gonna be using this sanding bit to remove the sticky tabs from my nails. And there's 3 different settings: high, medium, and low. But I just keep it on the low setting, and I'm gonna get the rest of the sticky tab that's on my nail, off my nail. Alright, well, most of it is off, because usually when I go back I can still see some up there. But majority of the sticky tab is off of my nail. Yeah, majority is off, but I'm gonna go back with some more of the bits. Ooh. I'm gonna go in with this cone shaped bit. So this is the cone shaped bit here. And I'm gonna work on my sidewalls and cuticles. You know, actually first, oh yeah. So let's go ahead and clean those up. All right, this is just a preliminary. I'm not doing a full-on like manicure type thing, because I do that right before I apply my press-ons. And I always, before I apply them, I always go back. So now I'm just putting on this larger drill bit, large barrel for large surface work. So I'm just gonna go over the surface of the nail and make sure everything is off. And when I use this drill, I go at the lowest speed and I just go lightly over my nail. All right, now I am going to trim down the length of my nails. All right, now that I have my nails trimmed down, I'm just gonna file them. This is a file that came with a set of nails because I can't find my big filer, but not gonna let that stop recording me. But yeah, this is just to get rid of the rough edges. All right, nails all filed and shaped just a little bit. Wipe them off with my towel that everything is on top of. Then I'm gonna take my nail hardener, and you know, since I'm giving my nails a few days to rest, I just like to put this on until I apply a new set. So just 1 or 2 coats, probably just 1, to keep it simple. That way my nails have a little bit of shine to them, but they're also getting strengthened, you know, after being beat up a little bit. You know, removing the nails and then filing it down, that's tough. That's why I like to give it a little break. And this set was, ooh, it was on there. All right, so my nails are all done. So then I'll get a little rest day. And I'll be applying a new set on Monday, and I will definitely show y'all how I apply that. All right, y'all, my nails are all done. They're not all the way ready for a new set because I like to do a little manicure, but the nails are off. Like I said, I'm gonna give them a break. So I'll put on a new set on Monday, and I'll show y'all how I apply that new set, because I still need to get some stuff off my fingers, off my cuticles and stuff. But I am gonna put some lotion on my hand. But yeah, that is how I remove my nails safely. That is the safe way, okay? That is the way that takes a little more time. There is the quick way where I just be biting them joints off, okay? But you know, I try not to do that because I don't want to rip my actual nail off. Because you know, my natural nails are weaker because I do file them more or whatever and use all that stuff on it, but whatever, I ain't hurt nobody. But thank you so much for watching and tuning into this video. If you'd like to see more content, make sure you go ahead and thumbs up this video. Make sure you subscribe before you leave, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.
Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Dragged me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what?